We got some damage. So, lifting up on this back end ain't all that good. So what I've done is taken these rivets out. You gotta take your S-bars out to hold the tank on, and then you gotta lift up, move the tank from side to side to get at those rivets. Once you get them off, you gotta get these off. And that be inside, you kinda gotta get them off there. And then this all comes out real nice. And we'll exchange it with a different one. Those even broke, those kick plates. Look at that, cheap shit, just from lifting. Just buckled there. Yeah, just drill those out, and across the tunnel, and you're good. Okay, let's do this the right way. You done that one? We're just riveting this new tunnel back on. We're using some really good hop rivets, they call them. They are pretty cool. They leave a nice little indentation on the inside. Jack O'Brien's awesome work. Those awesome rivets from AccuFast. That ring looks cool. Check it out, guys. Got the new tunnel piece on, I guess, rear tunnel. I wrapped it in carbon fiber. It looks pretty cool. Put my case on there. And we picked up a tunnel stiffener from Extreme Sports in Salmon Arm. B-roll. Check out that tunnel. Woo! That's how you do it, kids. Don't forget to subscribe.